Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in DEPHEMEREMBER, hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzel. And our prompt for today is Kintsugi houses. And I had to look up Kintsugi, but it's sort of like something that's broken. It's a Japanese art. I know that you may have seen the pottery where something was broken and it was put together with the gold. But it's a form of mending the broken pieces. And so this was a very odd prop for me, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna ink around this house. I'm pretty much kind of sticking with Christmas. Not everything is Christmas, but I thought this would be fine. And what I'm gonna do is make a pocket for my journal. So I'm going to take some scissors and I'm just going to do some cuts and see what we get. Alright, now if I can get everything back together. Now I'm sorry for the glare, I don't know what to do, but I've got this gold foil paper and I'm just gonna kind of lay it out so that I get the gold in between. Something along like that. Okay. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you've been enjoying DEPHEMEREMBER. I have enjoyed it. It really puts you out of your comfort zone. Probably should have inked pieces that I cut, but I really don't think it's gonna matter so much. But let me hit at it just a little, and then I can ink the rest. I get ahead of myself. And be sure to check out Barbara and Luise's channels. They are so talented. They really come up with some great things. I wished I could think outside of the box like they do. I'm very behind on watching everybody's videos. So much going on. Okay. So now I'm just going to trim around the edge here. far, so good. I think this is going to be really simple. I've got some Mod Podge, and I think I'm just going to brush over the snow and such. And I think I'm going to go over the top of the awning, top of the windows and door. And I think I'm going to go on the trees as well. Or the bushes, I should say. And the wreath. Let's see. I've got this rock candy glitter. Pretty. Let's see. I think go a little bit more. Get the seals as well. Probably should have got a smaller brush. Just gonna hit some of the trim there. I think that's pretty. So I'm going to let that dry and I'll be back. Alright, I think it's dry enough. Now I'm just going to glue it down, and this is going to be a pocket. So I'm just going to hit the edges here with my art glitter glue. I love the way it pops against the black. And I will go around it with some of my paste. Like I said, this one's very simple. I really didn't know what to do. I wasn't sure how else to embellish this, but I think it's still pretty. And I'll have to, at one point, make a tag to go in it. Alright. into my journal. And there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Be sure and check out Luise and Barbara's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER or hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.